In our drivetrain space, reliability of product is critical. A few dollars saving is quickly forgotten when a machine's down. You can have the best components and the best tooling. If you don't put it together the right way, the infant mortality or the early life failures and the consequences of those failures are pretty severe in our space. My name is Garth Chester. I'm the Managing Director of Valenhold. So we design, manufacture, service and support a range of OEM compatible drive systems. So for us, ensuring that every time we put it together, it's put together the same way, the tolerances are the same, the inspection methodology and the assembly methodology are the same is crucial, so that in a tough environment, we give that asset the best chance of survival. Managing complex systems in dynamic environments is a challenge. Our background was military aviation, where it had to work the first time every time. We've brought that ethos into mining. We've given our team the right tools to ensure that they've got the book in front of them, it's digital, it's accurate, it's constantly updated. It enables them to make sure that they're using the latest process every time. For us, the focus isn't on how fast we repair something, it's on how long do we make it last, to make sure that we've got the processes and systems and tools to drive reliability of product, to drive longevity of product, so that a miner can focus on mining, not worrying about trying to recover assets. Our product support team, working with the hindsight engineers, have been instrumental in developing a process-driven system that's broken into work packages that can be worked on by multiple technicians at the same time. From that, it's enabled us to really drive efficiencies, repeatability, and drive reliability into our product.
Yeah, before hindsight, we definitely had paper copies of manuals, and then for a short period of time we tried our own digital copies using Excel. People don't particularly have the best filing system out in the workshop, so yeah, it definitely was difficult. But using hindsight has definitely made it more easily accessible and more efficient in the sense that it's all there in the one program.
One of the key benefits of using hindsight is the partnership model that they adopt. So we've been fortunate to have quite a good shared vision of what the system could be. We're very data and process driven as an organisation, and Hindsight have been a great partner in developing a digital process and a digital solution that aligns with how we want to operate. So while you can buy one off the shelf, I think the collaboration and partnership with Hindsight has enabled us to get to where we want our system to be a lot faster.